Good morning, Pranam. I welcome all the respected members of Inspection Committee. I am Kulvinder Kaur, principal of this esteemed organization called as Tapovan Vidyalay, Jamnagar. The school is located at Tichda Ring Road opposite SR petrol pump. Our school mission is where education meets values. Tapovan Vidyalay is inspired by Param Pujya Shri Chandrasekhar Vijayji Maharaj Sahib. Our school was established in 2015. Now you can see this is our entrance gate and that is our security guard room. This is our boundary areas which is covered with all the four sides. As you can see now, we are having vehicle facilities also here. We are having two buses, route 1 and route 2. We are having parking facilities over here. We are having a very huge playground. It is of 75,500 square feet. Where we are organizing the outdoor activities, outdoor sports games. This is our playground. And here we have kept sensor machine also, looking through the current scenario to sanitize. Now this is our lobby area. Here you can see the vision and mission of our school.
Start.
Now we are forwarding to the assembly area. This is our assembly area, you can see. Where we are conducting the daily morning assembly. Where students are coming for the assembly. First they are praying, worshipping to the God. Then they are doing pledge. Then they are saying pledge. Then they are doing the special performance also. Where they are grooming themselves, right? This is our area of assembly. Now, after assembly area, we are going forward to the grade 1. Now you can see this is grade 1. This class is very colorful, like tiny kids. This class is well furnished, well maintained, very airy and freshy. Now I would like to introduce Dhara ma'am. She is the mother teacher of grade 1. Dhara ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, myself Dhara Bora and I am mother teacher of grade 1. I am working here since 2 years. We are taking our class here by Learn with Fun manner. Our classroom also has fun with learn environment. Here all the subjective charts are prepared by our students with the help of the teachers according to every evaluation. We are also start our lessons by playing audio visual clips on smart boards and we are also doing some activities
Now we are moving forward to the grade 2. As you can see over here, charts are displayed over here. It is all made by the teachers and students. These charts are made as the theme wise. We are making the charts. Every month we are making this chart theme wise. This is the grade 2. This class is also well furnished and well maintained. Now we are moving forward to the grade 3. This is also well ventilated and well furnished. Now you can see the charts also. All the charts are made by students with the help of the teachers. This is our storeroom where we are keeping all the properties of our school. Now we are moving forward to the grade 4. Now this is our grade 4. This class is also well furnished and well ventilated. Now she is Devangi Punjani. She is the class teacher of grade 4. Devangi, will you please proceed?
Good morning. Myself Devangi Punjani. I am the class teacher of grade 4 and I am taking maths and science of grade 4 and 5. I have completed my 2 years in this institute. Now move on to the learning part. As you have seen that so many charts are there which have been made by the students with the help of the subject teachers. Even we are having a smart board in every classes to clear the concept in an easy way by showing them video or PPT of that particular topic. Even we conduct one activity before starting every chapter to clear the concept in a learn with fun way. We are also having one ERP software, MICM. By that software, we are digitally connected with the students and parents. Now, as I told you that we conduct one activity and we show the video. So here I would like to show you practically. Suppose in maths, I am taking one topic, addition and subtraction. So before starting that topic, I will take the students to the maths lab. I will show some objects related to that topic and here the concept will be more clear. Afterwards, I will show the video of that topic. I would like to show you the video.
Addition and subtraction. In our previous class, we have learned addition and subtraction of numbers till 4 digits, that is till 1000 place. In this class, we are going to extend the digits and learn about 5-digit and 6-digit numbers, that is 10,000s and lakh place. Addition with carry. Example 1. Add 4,28,783. 3.
Okay, so by showing this type of video, the concept will be more clear. After showing the video, we start the chapter and we explain the chapter. After the explanation, there is a worksheet of particular chapter. We show the worksheet on the smart board also. I would like to show the worksheet. the smart board and clear the concept. We solve the doubt of the children and clear the concept very well. So this way the same pattern has been followed in the every subjects. Thank you.
Very true. Devangi ma'am told us about the DG Smart Board. It is well equipped in all the classes. We are moving forward to the grade 5. Here you can see the theme wise charts also, which were displayed over here. This is the grade 5. This class is also the same as other classes. Well ventilated, well furnished. Okay, now we are moving forward to the library. This is our library. She is our librarian, Nisha ma'am.
My name is Nisha Kanaka. I am librarian.
Here we are having the magazines rack where students are coming to read the magazines. Here we are having the newspapers also. Gujarati newspaper, Hindi newspaper, English newspaper. Students are coming here once in a week to read all these books, newspaper, comics, magazines, etc. Here our sitting arrangements are here where students are sitting here and reading the books. 25 to 30 students can sit at a time, and here we are having the covers, racks of the books. There are different types of books we have kept, as you can see over here. Subject wise we have arranged all the books, and we are having the registers also. Assistant register, specimen copy register, magazine register, students issue register. Even we are having the staff books issue registers also, where our staffs can come here and read the books, whatever they want to read and whatever books they want to issue, and they can upgrade their knowledge. Now we are moving forward to the science lab. This is also again our softboard where we have displayed so many things that you can see. This is the science lab. This is our science lab. These are the models made by the students. Moving forward to the science lab. This is our science lab. As you can see. She is our science expert, science teacher, Dolly Singh.
Myself Dolly Singh. I am MSc BA and I am taking science subject from grade 6 to 8. Now as we know, basically science is the guideline of every technological enhancement. So we want our student to focus on it and stay updated on it. In the primary level, we perform some basic experiment in this lab. As you see in this lab, there is accordingly all the requirements and all the apparatus are present. As see in a biology session, we have a microscope, we have a permanent slides and permanent charts over there. So we we show the slides over here and also tell them the characteristic of that species and that organism. In similarly, we have a chemistry session. In a chemistry session, we have all the apparatus and all the chemicals. Let us see a demonstration of a chemical reaction reaction. That way I will guide my students to perform a chemical reaction. This is a setup of displacement reaction. We have a copper sulfate, we have a distilled water. So what we can do, first we make a saturated solution of copper sulfate. So I'll take a 20 ml of distilled water and 5 mg of copper sulfate with the help of spatula and make a saturated, already I prepared this saturated solution of copper sulfate. So what we can do, we pour this solution in a test tube like this and drop a iron nail. It is a clear iron nail. Drop a iron nail. After some time you will see there is some changes in the chemical reaction. What is the changes? Already I did. See, the color of blue color copper sulfate solution is changed to light green color. It is due to the displacement of copper from the iron. Why it is happened? Because iron is more reactive than the copper, so iron is taking the place of copper and the copper is deposited over here. The iron nail, it is look like reddish brown color. So in this way we perform our experiment and we guide our student to perform a chemical reaction. Similarly, we have a physics section. In a physics section we have a instrument, we have apparatus to perform a physical experiment. Like this is a needle. Similarly, we have lenses, convex and concave lenses, mirror, prism, and also we have a human skeleton system. Through the human skeleton system, practically we will tell our student how many types of bone are present, how many joints are present over there. So in this way we will teach our students. Similarly, we have a permanent charts. By the help of this permanent charts, we also take the help of this chart and we teach our student. We have some other permanent charts over there, and we have a upper primary science kit. This upper primary science kit itself contains all the primary requirements which are needed to perform a primary basic experiment in this lab. It is all the things are there, and we have some chemical which is a basic chemical to perform a chemical reaction. There is a periodic table to tell the student about the periodic table. After that we have a lab manuals from 6 to 8 grade. That lab manual is designed with the NCERT activities. This lab manual has activities. It contains like this activity, it contains respiration. So this activity also given in our NCERT textbook. So we focus on the NCERT and we are performing the experiment here which are coming from this lab manual. And we have a stock register. In the stock register we kept all the records of this lab, and we have another register, that is our visiting register. Whatever the teacher is coming over here and whatever the activity they are performing over here, they are just mentioned here, and also they are mentioning their time here. So we have all the records of here, whatever the activity we perform throughout the year. And now we have a student corner. In the student corner, students are making some models from grade 1 to grade 8. So here some day and night model, periscope, this is the types of teeth, this is the phases of moon, and this is a human arm. A human heart. Now come to here, it is also made by our student, that is a volcano. Air filter is used, or air lifter, it is used to move in a mountainous area. It is our solar system. Now come to here, this is the cross sectional area of human eye, and this is solar power irrigation. This model is specially prepared by our 8th grade student, and they are just focusing on the solar power. How we can use a solar power to irrigation purposes, and how we can generate electricity there. There is another models which are prepared by our 5th grade students. So it is our solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. It is our model of vitamins, types of vitamins, and from which component we get that vitamin. It is mentioned here. Stick here. And this is our respiratory activity. So these all are present in our lab. As ma'am told about the registers, we are maintaining all the registers, science lab registers, science talk registers, science lab registers. In a week, students
extinguisher you can see over here. As the safety measures, we have fire extinguisher to meet any hazardous situation, and we have several fire extinguisher at different places. You can see. Now we are moving forward. On ground floor, we are having a separate boys' toilet and girls' toilet. As you can see, this is the boys' toilet, and this is the girls' toilet. And we are having the RO facility also for drinking water. It's a purified water. Now we will move forward to the first floor. As you have seen down in ground floor also, here also on first floor we are having the boys' toilet. We are having the separate boys' toilet as well as we are having the separate girls' toilet also. This is the girls' toilet. And we are having the water facility, drinking water facility, RO system also on the first floor also. Now we are moving forward to the grade 6. You can see the charts over here. It's all of theme wise we have made. This is the grade 6. Here also the subject charts were displayed. These are all the charts are made by the students with the help of the teachers. Now we are moving forward to the grade 7. This class is also the same as other classes. It is also well ventilated, well furnished. We are having the smart boards also and whiteboard also, in which way we can clear the concept of the students. If we want to show anything on the whiteboard, we can write it in the whiteboard. This is our grade 8, same as other classes. Charts were displayed according to the subject wise, evaluation wise, we are making the charts. Here also we are using the smart board, whiteboard. Now we are moving forward to the maths lab. You can see the maths lab. This is our maths lab where students are coming for their practicals. They are doing the practicals over here. Once in a week they are coming here and doing their practicals. She is Vijayalakshmi ma'am. She will guide you everything.
My name is Vijayalakshmi Maharana. My qualification is MSc B.Ed. I am taking maths in grades 6 to 8. Here this is our maths lab. The grades 1 to 8 students visit here once in a week. And this is our maths manual, grade 1, grade 6, 7 and 8. The activities in this are there. The students used to perform the activities along with the teacher. And this is our register, the visiting register, when we bring our students here in the maths lab, then whatever the activities are performed here, it is being mentioned, and this is our stock register. Whatever the things are there in our maths lab, it is being recorded here. And these are the some of the, as we know that students are having a phobic in the math subject. So to create a learn with the fun, so we have designed our maths lab in such a manner that student will discover the mathematics concept very well. So these are the charts that students have made with the help of the teacher. And this is a basic shapes. Then 3D shapes, they clear the concept by seeing this time, abacus, symmetry. This is also made by our student. This will show the mirror image. Then order of operation, Pythagoras, and the geometrical instrument. Even along with that, we are having a fun, this math zone. Here we are playing a game related to the maths it is. This is, as you can see here, this is one game, snake and ladder. This game is played as the way the snake and ladder is played. One of the differences is that here, you can see that the shapes are given. This is a rectangle, square, rectangle. This is a cuboid, and you can see here in each shape A is written, P is written. What does it represent? This represents that we have to find the area of this figure. P represents we have to find the perimeter of the figure. Suppose a child is there here at the one and he has thrown a dice like that and it comes 3. Then 3. We can see here the figure is what? A. So they will take the card of 3 and whatever the figure is here, a rectangle, it will be also here. And in that the values will be written, the length and the breadth. Then the student will apply the formula of the rectangle, and if the answer comes true, he will climb the ladder and will reach to 17. So this way, this game will be very helpful for them to remember the mensuration formulas. And here is another game, the date of any date. What we do here, we write here the date, any date, okay. Then here the columns are there. In the first column, we have to write this date. Then in the second column will be the month code. How it will be? Here is 11. So 11 is the November. So here we have a month code. We take it as 4. Then here 6. 6 is a century code. 18. So here we are having a century code. 2000 to 2099. It's 6 written here. Then this century we have to write. Then we have to divide the century with the 4 because we want the number of leap years. Okay, so if the quotient is less than 3, then you will write here 0, otherwise 4. Then do the total of it, we get here 44. And then divide it with the 7, we get the remainder. In that remainder, if it is 0, 1, 2 or any of this. If 2, then will be Monday, because if we do here 2, we will get. So on this date, the day was Monday. Here the rules are also written. Here we having another games also, the multiplication calculator. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. The first one will be the what? The tens, and this will be the ones. So this, with the help of this, the students will be aware of the mathematics concepts. Even we are having here the fractions with the degrees. Like semicircle is there. So if half of the semicircle, it's 180. Another semicircle, 180 plus 180, 360 degree. Like that. Thank you.
As ma'am told about the geometrical instrument, about the games, it is very easy. Those those students are having phobia with the maths, right? Their concept will be clear very easily and with the fun way learning. In this is the maths lab and other labs also where we are doing the fun way learning and we are teaching our kids. Now you can see here, this is our stationery room where we are keeping all the stationery items. Now we are moving forward. Now we are moving forward to the computer lab. This is our computer lab. You can see the computer over here and we are having the internet facility also for these computers. Let me introduce with our expertise of computer, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, Pranam. I am Mrs. Pooja Kapri. By qualification, I am an MCA and working in the school past 2 years. And let us come to our computers. We have a well-equipped computers in our lab which are having the latest softwares and hardware resources which are to be taken for our all the classes into the lab sessions. Taking with the operating system, our operating system which we use is Windows 2013 version, and for that just see the flashcards which are made by our Tiny Thoughts. Taking the version of 92 till 2015. Our kids have made this for Windows version. Apart from that, we give our students, apart from Windows version, we do give our students internet facility for performing their lab activities to keep them updated for their latest trends into the software as well as the internet-based application. And last but not the least, we also keep our computer lab register where we maintain our lab activities which are being performed on day-to-day basis, where each classes come over here and which activities they perform are to be recorded into our lab register. With this, thank you.
For practicals, our students are coming in the labs only for practicals. Now we are moving and we are having the fire extinguisher over here for the safety measures. Now we are moving forward to the art and craft and music room. This is our art and craft and music room. These are the music instruments which were played by the students, and he is Mr. Shashank sir. He will introduce himself.
Myself Shashank Gaddi. I am music teacher over here and my qualification is Sangeet Visharad in Indian classical music. So this is our music room and so many instruments are here like western and classical. So as you can see, this is keyboard, this is mini keyboard, this is drum, side drum, bongo, then this is dholak, bongo, harmonium, bongo and khanjri. So we teach all these available instruments to our students.
He is the senior most faculty of our school and he is the expert in music also. Every year Gujarat government is organized Kala Mahakumbh competition and our students is participating in the Kala Mahakumbh competition and they secure the positions, cash prizes as well as the certificates also, right?
Yes.
And even sir also secured first position in
Keyboard competition.
keyboard competition. Sir, can you play
Yeah,
the keyboard?
Sure.
We can see the live performance of the sir.
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं कौन कहता है भगवान खाते नहीं कौन कहता है भगवान खाते नहीं बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभं राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभं. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I want to share one thing to
Yes.
you. Whenever we are conducting our assemblies, any competitions, sir is having a very important role in all the activities, right? And this is our art and craft area, where students has made so many activities, so many creativity they have shown. Mrs. Vaishali Joshi will explain you.
Myself Vaishali Joshi, and this is our art and craft gallery where you can see art bottles, Burley paintings, tile paintings, etc. These all things have been made by our students. When we move further, there is a students art gallery where our students have made various types of paintings under the teacher's guidance. Now, our students have also a school activity album. This album is specially decorated by our students. There you can see the activities which are held in our school are being posted. All the decorations have been done by our students itself.
This is the year by year activities. We are maintaining the record of this.
Okay, now when we look over the softboard, you can see a painting which have multiple activities like collage activity, matchstick, cotton activity, then paper crumbling and foam painting. These all things have been made by our students only. Now, if we come to the schooling part, then in our school every year we are conducting the competitions like Rakhi making competition, Best Out of West competition, Teachers Day card making competition, Diya and Aarti Thali competition, drawing competitions, etc. All the results of these competitions have been displayed every year on 26th January in our exhibition. Along with that, we are also sending our students to inter-school competitions of art and craft and drawing. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we are moving forward to the indoor gymkhana. This is our indoor gymkhana. Students are coming here for the indoor activities like carom, chess, karate, judo, everything. They are coming here for the indoor activities. Every year we are going for the Khel Mahakumbh. Gujarat government is organized a Khel Mahakumbh competitions. Every year our students are participating in that, and we are securing the positions as well as the cash prizes also, even the certificates, medals. Here you can see. Now I would like to introduce Asutosh sir. He is the most senior sports faculty of our school.
थैंक यू मैम. आप जैसे देख सकते हैं इंडोर और आउटडोर दोनों एक्टिविटी स्कूल में होती है. मैं आशुतोष त्रिवेदी स्पोर्ट्स टीचर. मैंने BPEd किया हुआ है, बैचलर इन फिजिकल एजुकेशन. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं बच्चों की इंडोर एक्टिविटी के लिए यहाँ पे कैरम रखे हुए हैं. जब बारिश होती है तब बच्चे इंडोर चेस कैरम खेलते हैं. और साथ में इंडोर एक्टिविटी में हमारे पास जूडो, टेक्वांडो, कराटे और दूसरे मार्शल आर्ट के लिए हमने पृथ्वी सर को रखा हुआ है। जैसे सारे क्लासेस में सेम कैटेगरी के बच्चे नहीं मिलते, तो कभी कभार क्या होता है बच्चे की प्रैक्टिस नहीं हो पाती है, तो उसके लिए हमने डमी रखा हुआ है। तो पृथ्वी सर आपको वो डमी पे कैसे बच्चे थ्रो करते हैं वो एक डेमो दिखाएंगे। जैसे सेम कैटेगरी के बच्चे नहीं होते तो इस हिसाब से बच्चे प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। जैसे ये आप बोर्ड देख रहे हैं खेल महाकुंभ अचीवर्स का 2016-17 में हमें टोटल 6 मेडल मिले थे। 2017-18 में टोटल 12 मेडल मिले थे। 2018-19 में 37 मेडल मिले थे। 2019-20 में 49 मेडल मिले थे। 2018-19 और 17-18 दोनों में हमारे स्कूल ने जोनल लेवल पे 3rd पोजीशन ली थी और 2018-19 में डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल में हमारा स्कूल खेल महाकुंभ में 2nd आया था।
Thank you, sir. Okay, now we are moving forward. As you can see over here, this is the staff room where all the staffs are sitting. As you can see, it's a principal cabin. This is the principal cabin. Now this is our admin office, where all the administration work will be done. This is our school premises that you have seen. I hope you have liked our school and we are looking forward for the positive response. Thank you. Pranam.